We need to be radical. We don't have any time to waste. We have to be free from the limitations of the past so that we can build a radically better future. At Arrival, we are contributing to this future now, with vehicles that elevate the everyday, improve the air we breathe, unlock true sustainability, and empower local communities. To us, they're modern vehicles. They're the products of a revolutionary process. How they're designed, the materials they are made of, and how they are produced. These innovations set us on a path to a more equitable life. One where the vehicles in your city are made in microfactories local to your city. And these cities are everywhere. Each city making the vehicles they need, creating for themselves smart connected ecosystems. This is how we make electric vehicles affordable and accessible to everyone. This is how we empower communities. This is how we have impact. Radical impact.